Good morning, students. This is Anudan from CT department. I am going to give a lecture about introduction to Linux. So Linux is open source Unix-like operating system that powers a wide variety of devices from servers and desktop to smartphones and embedded system. Developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991, Linux is known for its stability, security, flexibility, and freedom it offers to use and developers worldwide. It's an open source. What is meant by open source? The open source is nothing but it is a free software. You have to take a software freely and you have to upload it. So Linux is the free software, free operating system. That means system software. Linux is open source, Unix-like operating system that powers wide variety of device from server and desktop to smartphone and embedded systems. Developed Linus Torvalds in 1991. Actually, this the Linus is a student. The Linux is a final year project. The students developed a final year project that is called Linux. The Linux is open source. We can easily access, and we have to develop, we have to update it, and you have to give another version of Linux. So there is some Linux version is there. One is Red Hat Linux and Ubuntu. Linux began as a personal project by Linus Torvalds to create a free operating system kernel. It combined the Linux kernel with GNU software tools. GNU is nothing but it's a graphical unit. It's like a GUI. So it combined the Linux kernel with GNU software tools, resulting in a complete and powerful OS. Over time, the Linux has grown into a global project supported by thousands of developers and organizations. If you want to get the Unix means you have to get the Linux and you have to develop it and you have to upload a new version. So the Linux has grown into global project supported by thousands of developers and organizations. What is the key features of Linux? Linux offers multitasking, same like as a Windows and Unix, multi-user capabilities, portability, security, and modular design. It is highly customizable, supporting different desktop environments and distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Its strong network. So these are distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian is a version of the Linux. So its strong networking and server capability make it favorite for data centers and cloud computing. The most probably it's strong in network so that the server capabilities and make it favorite for data centers and cloud computing. So what is the Linux architecture? The Linux architecture is a kernel system, library system utilities and user interface. The kernel handles hardware communication. The kernel is for hardware communication. Processor, it's like a Windows management. It is a process management in Windows systems. The kernel handles hardware communication, process management and system security. Library provides standard functions while utilities and shell offers tool for user interactions. Cell is user interaction and system management. Kernel is handled hardware communication, process management and system security. What is the Linux distributions? Linux available in many different distributions tailored for various needs. Popular distributions include Ubuntu, user-friendly, CentOS, enterprise-level servers, Fedora, cutting-edge features, and Kali Linux, security testing. And each distro package of the Linux kernel with software and package manager. So these are the distributions. So that means variety. The Ubuntu user-friendly and CentOS enterprise-level servers. Fedora edge cutting edge features, and Kali Linux is a security testing, and each distro package the Linux kernel with software and package manager. So what is the file system of the Linux? It's same like as a hierarchical file system, routing directory, import directory. You have to import directly from one package to another package. So import directories, everything is a file, mounting the file system, file type, because the Unix, Unix traversers used Unix system and getting lots of features from the Unix system, and permission and ownerships, inodes and file paths and case sensitive. Next point is security. Security in Linux is playing a vital role. Same like that Unix, user authentication, file permission, user and group management, password policies, use of pseudo and privilege access. Then main thing is firewall configuration is that security modules and encryption, security remote access and system logs and auditing. So firewalls is it's between the user access and the system, client and server. In between firewall system, firewall check the user authentication. The security modules and encryption can be implemented in Linux operating system. Linux operating system and system logs and auditing. So students, Linux is a free OS. The Linux architecture is a file architecture. It's a kernel and shell system. Kernel handles hardware and shell is the interface between the user interaction staff management. Key features multi-users and multitasking. So the Linux tools create a free operating systems and kernel with GU and software tools. And Linux there's lots of distribution is there. Ubuntu, ZenOS, Fedora and Kali. File hierarchy system is there. Security, it's playing a security in Linux is playing vital role in security, user authentication, file permissions. And thank you students. We will see a new topic in next class. Thank you very much.